To start selling on eBay in Pakistan, you need to create an account on the eBay website. First, go to the eBay website and click on the register link at the top right corner of the page. Fill out the registration form with your name, email address, and password. Verify your email address by clicking on the link sent by eBay. Next, set up your seller account by providing your business and personal information. You will need to provide your name, address, and phone number. You will also need to add a payment method, such as a PayPal account or a credit card, to receive payments from buyers. Now, you need to verify your account. eBay will send a verification code to your phone or email. Enter the code to complete the verification process. This step is necessary to ensure the security of your account. After verifying your account, you can start listing your items for sale. Take clear and well-lit photos of your items and write detailed descriptions. Set competitive prices by researching similar items on eBay. Choose the right category and shipping options for your items. To receive payments from buyers, you need to have a PayPal account. Create a PayPal account and link it to your eBay account. PayPal is a secure and reliable way to receive payments online. Finally, learn about eBay's fees and policies. eBay charges a small fee on each sale, and you need to understand the fees and policies to avoid any issues. Read eBay's Seller Center to learn more about the fees and policies. By following these steps, you can start selling on eBay in Pakistan. Remember to provide excellent customer service and follow eBay's policies to build a successful online business. Start selling on eBay today and reach a global market of buyers.